Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to convert multiple PDF file by one click with Macro. Before start, first we need to enable Developer tab. Go to File tab and click on Option. Open Customize ribbon and click on Developer tab, then OK. Now you can see Developer tab on top. Now click on Record Mecro button to start recording. And give Mecro name. Now I am giving PDF, bulk. And create a shortcut key, whatever you like. Most preferable, do not use Shift key. Sometime it will not work if you include Shift key. And select Personal Mecro Workbook, and OK. Now stop recording because we have already Mecro script. Select all Mecro script and copy. And go to on Macro button. And paste Mecro script here. Save workbook and reopen Excel. I have some multiple Excel file. Now let's try to convert in PDF file. Press Ctrl plus W key to start Mecro. Select a folder which you want to convert in PDF. Here you can see automatically converting PDF. Enjoy. Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel if you like this video.